Hi everyone, today I will be showing you all how to use the new catalog. Navigate to cplcatalog.org. From here you can check on the availability of any title in the library by entering the author, title, series, or subject you're looking for in the search box and pressing enter. This will take you to the results page. Titles available for checkout will be shown in green. Those that are checked out are in red. The location of a title is shown here. You can narrow your search by location, format, age group, concepts, and more by using the filters on the Refine Results menu. In the upper right-hand corner of the results page, you can sort your results by relevance, author, date order, or get the newest materials on top by using this drop-down menu. If you'd like to place a hold, see your current checkouts, see if you have any fines, or place titles on a list to read later, you'll need to log into your account. To log into your account, follow these steps. Click on the login icon in the upper right corner. In the barcode field, enter your library card number without spaces. Enter the last 4 digits of your barcode in the passcode field. Click Log In. Once logged in, click on your username in the top right-hand corner. A window opens that shows a snapshot of your account. Here you can see your checkouts, holds, fines, and account expiration date. To see more detailed information about your account, click on Account Portal. Once you open your account portal, you will see a set of options on the left of the screen. Overview shows your holds and checkouts. You can check your hold statuses. Account shows your address, email, and expiration date. To edit other information such as your passcode, address, or email, please contact the library. Checkouts and requests shows you your checked out items, hold requests, and your reading history if you have opted in. To opt into reading history, click on History and click Opt in to reading history. Bills and fines shows you how much money you owe the library. You can pay your fines online by clicking the Pay Fine button on this page and logging into the Smart Pay window that appears. Bookmarks shows you a list of books you have marked for later. Saved searches shows you the list of searches that you've saved. Instructions on how to save searches are later in this how-to guide. You can return to the catalog at any time by clicking Return to Catalog. To create a saved search, log into your account, type your search into the search bar, click Save Search. Enter a name for your search. Click Save Search. To view your saved searches, click on the Save Search icon in the upper left corner. If you find yourself searching the same subject, author, or titles, you can rerun the search by opening your saved searches, click on Edit in Member Portal, and click on Run Search.